Hi there guys, my name's Mark Gossage of markgossage.com. Welcome to my Amaz Profit Robot review. Amaz Profit Robot, it's been designed as an AI assisted book publishing system, so it's intended to bring the different stages of creating a book into one workflow, making it a lot easier to create, getting things done a lot faster, a lot easier, with no need to keep sort of moving out and onto other platforms and using other software. Now, I find that the main attraction is it gives you that simplicity and speed. It's reducing the need to jump between lots of separate tools and processes. So it's aimed at people that are interested in creating, preparing and publishing books with AI assistance, making it so much easier. Now, the important point is that AI can speed up this process, but human judgment, editing, things like that, fast checking, they're still essential. AI makes mistakes. AI can be a bit robotic at times, so you need to make sure that your book is ready for a human to read it. For me, always make sure you proofread it and update if necessary. So what Amaz Profit Robot helps with is getting there, finding and developing your book, your ideas, your potential niches. It'll research the book, the topic and everything else before writing. It'll plan that structure out. It'll create the chapters, outline. It will assist with the writing and the drafting process. It's going to help prepare that book, the book covers and the presentation, and it will assist with the formatting and publishing preparation. Now, this is going to help create and improve the titles, the description, the metadata and everything else. So it's going to support all that preparation for an audio book, an e-book and wider publishing formats as well. So it supports preparation for everything there. Now, it brings a lot of the processes together rather than using a completely separate system for every stage. Now, what I like about this is it gives you a more structured start to finish publishing workflow. It's particularly useful if you find the technical side of book creation overwhelming, as AI can remove a lot of that repetitive groundwork, and having all the stages connected makes it easier to see what needs doing next. It could be useful for beginners who want more guidance rather than starting with a blank page. It may also help existing publishers create more organised production process. So what you need to keep in mind is that you shouldn't simply publish raw, unchecked AI generated content. Facts and research should still be independently checked. A manuscript needs to be human, so human editing is essential. You need to check things like being repetitive, accuracy and everything else. You've got the readability, the quality. You need to give it that final touch. A book still needs a clearly defined reader and a worthwhile reason for existing. AI cannot guarantee that a book will sell, rank or make money. Titles, descriptions, positioning all require sensible human decisions. The quality matters more than simply producing books as quickly as possible. So it's got to suit people like beginners who are interested in AI assisting publishing, self-publishers who want a more organised workflow, people who have book ideas but they're going to struggle with planning and structure, publishers who currently they use several separate tools and they would prefer a more consolidated approach. So anyone prepared to use AI as an assistant rather than an automatic replacement for human judgment. Now, I have got 8 bonuses we will be going through. I will be showing you those in a short while, but let's have a quick look at the sales page here. Amaz Profit Robot, and it shows you it does a hell of a lot. It really does. As you can see, $14.95, and while I'm thinking about it, let's refresh the page. That's reloaded. What happens, one time only, so if you want it and you've already set it off, refresh, reload the page, and then my mouse, if you can see the cursor there, as it goes off the screen, it's going to give you a $3 discount there, okay? So make sure you take that up if you're going to purchase it. It's $14.95, $3 off, $11.95. So $11.95, around £10, maybe a little lower. If you're in UK, if you use GBP, it's just under £10 then, or the $11.95 if US dollars, okay? All here, easy to be, tells you a lot about it here, it tells you all about it, 30-day money back guarantee, lifetime access for that one-time payment. It's not weekly, monthly, yearly, pay once, use it for a lifetime. It shows you covers and things, books there that have been created using this application, this AI, and it's done the covers, everything there, the graphics, the text inside, it's there if you want to have a look at that there, okay? It tells you all about the opportunity, how you're missing out basically if you're not getting in on this absolutely fantastic way of making money online, and also getting your name known. You can put your name as a publisher, or you can be someone else, put another name on there, so if you don't want to be out in the limelight there. All super simple. Tells you about KDP tools that are already outdated. This is the latest, the newest, probably the best. It's all here. KDP, if you can get out there in front of people, it's so easy to make money. Now, it's getting the book done, it's getting it done the right way, getting the titles, the headings, and everything else. So we've got a little down the sales page, very long page. Rather than keep going, it's as easy as clicking on the link below if you want to come over to my review bonus page, which looks exactly like this, and all you've got to do is click on any of those buttons here. Okay, let's just have a look at any of these green buttons. It'll take you to the sales page where you can lock it in, and if you get that pop over up, $3 off, guys. Now, as you can see, Amaz Profit Robot, my short review on here on the review page, and the 8 exclusive bonuses. Now, when I say exclusive, I've created the software, the PDFs, everything, so nobody else has got these, only if they purchased Amaz Profit Robot through one of my buttons, through one of my links. Plus, you need to get so that I'm credited with a sale. Make sure I'm going to be credited with that sale, and as long as that happens, these 8 bonuses I'm showing you now will be waiting for you in the members area, okay? It's as simple as that. I've got this image here that tells you what Amaz Profit Robot does. So quickly there, plans, creates, optimizes, and launches. Now, I realise that people want to go further, they want to try and get the very best out of this software. They want to rank, what niche should you be chasing, things like that. So when I go through my 8 bonuses, you're going to find my first bonus. It's a software bonus. I've called it an AI publishing opportunity validator, because it validates everything. It helps you assess that book idea, your audience, the positioning, and the potential opportunities before you commit any significant time into creating that book. It's going to give you everything you need to know in the way of, what chance has it got on ranking, the audience, the position, everything like that, okay? So as we get down, it tells you a bit about the review, and then how my bonuses all kick in and work together, all my 8 bonuses. And as I said, bonus 1, that publishing opportunity validator. It validates your book ideas, it scores them, it compares the niches, it improves the positioning and everything. You're getting private access straight onto that software included. Okay, tells you a little bit more about it there if you want to read that. Then you've got bonus 2, my publishing compliance and quality guard GPT. Now this software is going to review your manuscript, it's going to do the metadata, and it's going to do the publishing quality, check it for quality issues. It's going to look at risky claims. It's going to look at potential concerns and things like that. And it's here now, publishing compliance and quality guard. And as I said, checks the manuscripts, spots risky claims, reviews the metadata. Again, private access to buyers of this product only. It's an exclusive bonus only to people that get it through my link. As I said, I created all these bonuses and everything else. Bonus 3, that's your manuscript upgrade and humanisation assistant GPT. Now, what that's going to do is going to help identify anything that's repetitive, robotic, weak actions, and it's going to improve that natural flow of the manuscript. Okay, that software, put your manuscript in, let it go through it, and it's going to come out a lot better there. Bonus 4, your book positioning and metadata auditor. So bonus 4, it's all about getting it published and making sure that the metadata, things like that, are right. So it's going to help review your title, your subtitles, your descriptions, your keywords, your categories, and the reader positioning. All essential if you want to get it seen out there on Amazon, if you want to get sales, absolutely essential. Okay, so if you want to find the right readers, you want to improve clarity in the message, you want to optimize that metadata, that bonus there is for you. Author brand and reader funnel builder GPT, even more software. This is bonus 5. So this is going to help build an author position, okay, an author position, a reader magnet, opt-in process and follow-up strategy. It's going to get those books in, not just one, it's going to be taking people, it's going to show you how to get the very best out of, positioning several books out there on Amazon. I've given you a 30-day book launch and reader growth action plan. Okay, it's an exclusive bonus. Again, it's going to give you a very clear 30-day action plan. It's going to show you and help you to promote your book consistently. It's also going to show you build reader momentum. Okay, you want to get that, you want to build reader momentum, this bonus is going to help you do that. 30-day book launch and reader growth action plan. Bonus 7, yeah, we're not finished yet, guys. As I said, 8 super bonuses, massive bonuses. We've got that. Bonus 7 is the book series and catalogue architect. Okay, it's a GPT, it's a software again. So what this is going to do is going to help plan follow-up books. So not just one book, you get one book out there and then it's going to plan a follow-up book. So as people are there, they're going to be looking for it. It's going to show you how to shove it so that they can see it, sort of thing. It's going to help get more sales, get your books seen there more. It's going to create a series of opportunities and a longer term publishing catalogue. Okay, it's going to help you go even further. Bonus 8, you need a dashboard. I'm giving you my publishing command center dashboard there. It's all about getting everything so it's easy to follow, easy to keep up to date with. It's going to give you that one place where you can track your books, your publishing tasks, launch activity, reader funnels and your future products, of course. So that is that there. Okay, so Amaz Robot, it's very interesting as a complete publishing workflow rather than simply another AI writing tool. The value, it's going to depend on how well you use the system, how much human quality control you apply. So as I said, I would use the software, all the bonuses I've included, and I would still go through that book finally, okay, read the lot, alter a little bit if need be, check anything if you need to, like if it mentions dates, time, anything like that, any reference, you've got to check them, because it gets it wrong sometimes, okay. It's not 100%, 99.9 maybe, but not 100. If something doesn't sound right, just edit it, change it, okay. Spend an hour or two. It's going to get you so your books are getting out there. It really is. So it's going to be really easy to create books. It's going to be really easy to get them listed. It's going to help you to rank them. It's going to help you to follow them through as a series and everything else. So absolutely brilliant. It really is all there. And as I say, all you need to do, click on any of the green buttons, sales page, okay, have a look through, click on any of the buttons here, lock it in. But before you do, let's refresh the page. Why pay $14.95 when you can get that $3 discount? Claim your discount and you've got it, okay. Plus, if you'd rather put it in at the till or at the checkout, as I say, if I go back up, it should be there. I'd rather just put it in. Hope it's in there. Let's find it. There you go. Amaz 3 there. Okay. Use coupon code and you get $3 off. Now it's not going to work once you get $3. It's not going to get you 6. I don't think. You can try. I haven't tried that. Shouldn't work, but that's a way of getting $3 off as well. Then, as I say, if you're in the UK, GBP, that's under £10. One-time payment, lifetime access, and as well as all that, you get all of my bonuses. It's not like, let me know which one you want. You're getting access to all 8 there. So absolutely super deal. So that's Amaz Profit Robot. It's going to create your books. It's going to help position it. It's going to do everything for you, create the covers, everything. As I said on the sales page, if I just go back over, it's got, if I can find them, I may have gone too low. As I say, it does tell you more about it. Just going back up. Where are we? It's gone. Whenever I want something, it goes. Very hot in England at the moment. I meant to do this video a few hours ago, had a few problems with updates and things, I had to sort that out, but we're here. These books are here, okay. It tells you this one's a wellness book, cookbook, fantasy, children's, self-help. Not sure about that. Oh, poetry, so the peanut like in every, so I haven't got my glasses on. There's a travel book, contemporary fiction and others. So niches aren't a boundary, okay. Pick a niche you want, use my tools. I'll tell you the best niches even in my bonuses. If you're new, I'm not sure what I want to write, but I want to get some books out there. If you want a niche that highly up there, it will find them for you. As I said, all these images and everything have been created using the software, okay. Everything there, guys. It really is. So that is my Amaz Profit Robot review. And as I say, the link's below. If you click on that, it'll take you straight over to my bonus page. You can check all those 8 bonuses out, read that review that I've put there, click on any of the green buttons, come on over to the sales page, lock it in. And as I say, if you use that coupon code from the bonus page or get the pop over, you're getting $3 off, guys. So absolutely unbelievable. You're getting it all, one-time payment. It's not a monthly, not a yearly. You're getting a lot, and all of the bonus as well to use for a very long time. Okay, so thanks for watching my review. Make sure you take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.